All right, fruity cuties, what's up? Today is day one one of the raw food challenge by me, Ms.FitVegan. So I was just eating my jackfruit for like a pre-dinner. And I was like, oh, you know what? Before I unpack, let me show everyone what I'm going to be eating this week. Okay, so here we go. Let me start. First of all, I got some mangoes. These are Hayden mangoes, and they look really good. It's really important that you smell your mangoes before you buy them. Yeah, they gotta smell. They got to smell. All right, I'm going to put those in the fridge. And you'll notice a lot of the food that I bought and that I buy is ripe. I buy mostly ripe fruit and I put it in the fridge so that I know that it's going to ripen properly. And most importantly, that I come home with a lot of things to eat. Because have you ever done this? Comment down below. Have you ever bought a bunch of fruit and vegetables at the store? You get home and you're starving and you have nothing to eat because nothing's ripe? Yeah, that used to be me. This is a red dragon fruit. I bought some gigantic, these are, can you see the difference? My God, these are so big. So I got 4 of these giant mangoes, and they're from Mexico. There's no name on them. Does anybody know the name? There's over 400 types of mangoes, so I don't expect us to know all of them, but these are gigantic. In the farmer's market, it said giant mangoes. Okay, I got a big bag of cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to wash. Okay, and a big tip from me to you, and I'm going to give you lots and lots and lots of tips on Monday, so come to the free Zoom. My private community is free all month for the month of June because I really want to help you. If you want to go raw and you want to do this contest and maybe even win the contest, I want to provide you with all the resources possible. So if you email me today is the very last day. Do not, my boo, if you're watching this on June 2nd, it's a wrap. So June 1st is the last day to email me, okay? I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. It's a full June challenge, okay? And you can join the challenge after June 1st with all your excuses, oh, you didn't have internet, oh, you've been busy. Okay, you can join the challenge, but you cannot get any of the prizes because you had to have started today. Okay, you have to start today and I need proof. And all of the freebies and all the instructions are in the email, so I'll leave my email below. Email me before the end of June 1st, before EOD tonight, midnight tonight, and I'll send you all the instructions. I got 4 avocados. Okay, I got 3 of these organic romaine lettuces, and then I got 2, oh, it's falling apart. Why are things falling apart? And I got 2 of these green leaf organic lettuces, and of course, at the last minute at the farmer's market, I saw them spraying something on the produce, and I was like, what are you guys spraying? He tells me he's spraying water. Yeah, fucking right. They're not spraying water, guys. It's not water. It's a mixture of, it's just things to make things last longer and look better so that things don't go bad. It's a real damn shame. So I'm going to wash everything in baking soda and a little bit of vinegar. We got mint for my salads. We got some parsley, organic. All the greens, all the herbs are organic. We got a little cilantro. Okay. I got 2 bags of this arugula. Probably not organic, to be honest. That is probably not organic. I got 3 passion fruit. You probably know this if you watch me. I love to put passion fruit in my water, soak it overnight, and then strain the seeds, and you have the most delicious water on earth. So we got 3. I think I got more somewhere, though. Okay. I got lettuce, romaine lettuce. Okay, I got 6 organic zucchini. And then I didn't spend too much today. I'm not sure why. I think it's because the watermelons were super cheap. But I spent under $200 today, which is a goddamn miracle. It's a fruity miracle. I got some basil. So I got my mint, my basil, my cilantro, and my parsley, which I like to put in my salads. I love mint in the salads. I got another cilantro for juicing. I got 1 mangosteen because this was the only ripe one, okay? And honestly, it's not even that ripe because the best, there's a little bit of give, which means it's, it's going to be good. But mangosteen is only really good if the top is green, and you can rarely ever find that because it's just such a sensitive fruit. It's very difficult to grow. It takes over 20 years for the tree to fruit. Okay, and it has to have perfect conditions, and it's a really special fruit. I got one. Okay, next we have mangosteen is my favorite fruit of all time, by the way. I know you think it's watermelon, but it's mangosteen. We got green onion. I got 6 celery. Okay, 6 celery. And I'm really happy I went shopping because when I show you my fridge, boo, because I've been working really hard on my book, and I have been literally buying fruit every single day and eating it. Like, I've been buying what I'm eating for the past week. Since my retreat, honestly, I've been so busy that I have not had time for a good shop. So thank God today's finally a good shop. On the way home, I had these lychees. I think there's 1 or 2 left. They were really good. Do I have any left? Just one. Got some lychees. Okay, let's continue. I got 4 of these mangoes. Okay, very big. The Champagne Atolfo mangoes. I got a nice. Okay, we're running low on room, so I have to make some room. Hold on. Hold the phone, and then at the end, I'm going to tell you everything I ate today. All right, I'm going over to the oven. Okay, I got 1 cantaloupe that smells so good, so strong. Love it. I only buy ripe melons, that's for sure. Okay, I'm just going to turn you guys around because I don't have the strength. Although I have to get underneath. I have 3 gigantic watermelons. No. Okay, let me do it this way. I'm going to put the camera right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I got a pineapple. All right. And this is pretty good. It's not ideal, but I really wanted to juice pineapple. I like to make my pineapple, cilantro, ginger, cucumber, lime juice. So I'm going to do that with the pineapple, especially because I couldn't find organic apples. And with the pineapple, you don't eat the skin. So if it's not organic, I like to buy it, so that I can peel it. Okay, so if there's not organic apples, I will buy pineapple in order to juice. Okay, because I always need some fruit in my juice. Lots of lemons for dressings, water, etc. This is more of the arugula. Okay, I got some burro bananas. I freaking love these bananas. They are so savory, so delicious. Love them. They're almost ripe. The burro bananas, they need to have black tops, and you see they're not totally black yet. And they need to peel very easily. I like to peel them from the bottom. They're so good. Okay, I got a bunch, and this was expensive, but fuck it. I got a bunch of, looks like I lost some. A bunch of seeded grapes. No, they're not organic. But I tried one, and they tasted so good. And I was like, damn, when is the last time I saw seeded grapes? Okay, so seeded grapes. Pretty rare. Dr. Sabi would be very proud of me right now. Okay. I got some kale. 1 thing of kale. I never buy kale, but I'm going to juice it. Why not? I got a bunch of bananas. My friend got me a case of Namwa bananas from the wholesaler. So I'm going to let them ripen. And of course, they're ripe when they fall apart very easily. Look at how beautiful these bananas are. When they fall apart easily, when they peel silently, and they do not get spotty, but that is how you know. They will also smell really good. I like to kind of store them standing up like that so they don't get bruised. That's the best way to store them. Okay, so we're going to turn them all around. Although I have to move everything because fortunately, I don't live alone. I live with somebody who does not exactly feel the same exact way I feel about fruit. So I cannot use the oven as a fruit market area. So I will have to move these. But there's plenty more bananas in the case. Actually, there's 2 more bunches. And I gave my friend 2 bunches. So that's that. I'm going to put everything here, though, I want to take a photo. I wanted to talk to you about some tips and tricks, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to save that for Monday, okay? So on Monday, I'm having a free Zoom. It's usually only for people in my private community, but I'm going to have it this Monday for everyone that is part of the challenge. I got some garlic, 2. And then I have these 3 watermelons, and they are gigantic. I mean, this one is literally, he weighed it for me. It's 45 pounds. This one is about 20 pounds. No, this one is like probably 15, and that one's probably 20. So I got 3 giant, pay no attention to the floor, 3 giant watermelons, which is going to be the staple of my week this week. I also had half a mame. I'm going to eat the other half later maybe. And that's pretty much what I'm eating this week. I do have some staples that I also eat. But this looks like pretty much it. I'll be eating lots and lots of watermelon, lots of bananas, maybe some ice cream. I'm going to be making some juice. The celery I like to juice, but I don't have plain celery juice. Oh, one thing I forgot to buy, or I couldn't find it organic, was the cucumbers. So I need cucumbers, and I probably need some apples too, because I want to make some juice. And that looks like my food for the week. I also have some staples already, like the sunflower seeds that I'll make dressings out of, pumpkin seeds. I got my spices in here that I like to use: smoked paprika, dulse, red pepper, chili flakes. That's pretty much it for that. Oh, I've been sprouting too. I started sprouting, but I've been busy today, so I forgot about my sprouts. So they're sitting here. They need some water. They need some love. They need about 5 days to grow. It's very, very easy, very simple. If you'd like, you can type in Ms.FitVegan sprouts, and you will find all the information on how to sprout. It's very easy, very simple. You can also check out my books, the Raw Vegan Beauty book and Raw Vegan Excuses Part 1. Part 2 has been completed, and I'm waiting for Amazon to approve it, but there's Part 1. It talks about how to sprout in there as well. And yeah, I do like sprouts sometimes, but as you can see, if it's your first time here, I mostly eat fruit because, well, it rhymes with the word cute, and I want to be cute. So if you want to be cute, you got to eat a lot of fruit. I love you, my boo. I'm going to wash these grapes, and I'm going to wash everything, honestly. I like to wash everything. That's another really good tip, and I'll give lots of tips on Monday, but washing things as soon as you get them home is going to help you so much when you're hungry, especially like things like the tomatoes, the grapes, the apples, and what else do you wash? Like cutting up watermelon and things like this, okay? Cutting up like celery, making some dips, making some hummus and stuff. That's really, really, really going to help you when you're craving things and you're used to eating a bag of chips. You know, you're used to eating things that are ready-made and super, super easy and convenient. Here's one of the best things you can do, okay? On this journey, the raw food journey, make the easy choice the healthy choice, okay? Make the convenient choice the healthy one, and you will start to see that you're able to stick to this diet because it's easy, it's delicious, and it's convenient, okay? So like when I get hungry and I don't want something sweet, I'll grab some tomatoes. When I want something sweet, I'll grab some grapes. Okay, I'll throw some bananas in the blender. I'll make some ice cream. It's very easy once you know how to do it. Once you know how to do it. I love you. Check out my book on Amazon now, and I'll see you in the next episode. I'm so excited. Day 1, my boo. You got this. Trust me. You got this. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.